Hello, this is Hans the Dutch guy with Much Dutch, and this time we will see how to pronounce in a regular Dutch accent Johan van Oldenbarnevelt, Dutch statesman and revolutionary. The correct pronunciation is Johan van Oldenbarnevelt. Johan van Oldenbarnevelt. There is a light emphasis on the third syllable of his second name, Johan van Oldenbarnevelt. Johan van Oldenbarnevelt. Johan van Oldenbarnevelt. Johan van Oldenbarnevelt played an important role in the struggle for Dutch independence, and he is considered one of the greatest and most important figures in our history. I hope this video was helpful. You can help us by liking it and by subscribing to our channel. We do have plenty of other content here, so be sure to check that out too. And if there are any words you need help pronouncing in Dutch, just let us know in the comments, and we will get that word on Much Dutch as soon as possible. Tot ziens!